ner malaka niam biag malka Nuer online TV channel kajan gwasame tukon ga breaking news bikona lat mekene lien kabili gwasame kumshiling chagwa chukum kirm yadi chicken nang Nuer kana tok ka Naser chicken Naser chicken book kajan werame shika bogolong ano chalaru chani tungwan chaw ka bot ka chana chakanak man ku kana lat gwasame lat kana no ye kirma yadit kum kirma yadit kana kum dagring machar chejan lodan so meling jana no chejan president selva kirma yadit chaja nganya ka gwasan pai wen go chaladu bika na bika nak bika warnak no kana de kon use kana ngan tamata nakanware ka je Uganda Naser County Commissioner Galwan Lotief Raja Dana Chalat a general military helicopter Jaban Kawa Jen Chibu Bogon Chanabu Bogre Rak Bogo Jejenbur Dian Tun Kenyan and Guadame can Guada Conchiga Bogten Karenial Dian and Guadaman ken bo ken lo na ken Nuer wang ken pin no peng na content chana ka jijen bor kan na lat tel mishan laten but murai kone jen majmenen yenamo jete ne dilu jete ga jibone ba so Sudan people van for second lat exactly like what they are doing ka tribal militia they are carrying a massacre can were lo nakan and were tell no dien let can mala dien de kular no neti beken ko bi mal beben chejen beken ko bu no rabanak pan chan rajan o te kare nyal mujal mi choka mai ut ana re nyal mo jime shalingi e civilian air plant a drone tene ti gujapan to mat ke jai e kum so tan be gwini pin ka mai ut che jaloda ana ne ti buken ko bu na ben nak ka mai ka ngade ka Naser ne me la SSPD aba me akene de kon nakan ware ka ne de content ben war bu ka tuk anyo wo gwazame cha jilung shukba county ka Greater Upper State ba la jilungu chuk chaga nyoko me buka ka bakare nyal ana chiga na bugba ka lungu chuk ana me che jien ka ta dana dong de Nuere de koren kanga de ne de kon nakana ka gan Nuere ka gan Nuere kon gui kon video te kon de chalat pan ga je nang ka jang nang ka juba lwa ka ke no nyot ka kamal ba jang te ken ka plan dien a plan dien na mo mala de gwa da me chi gumling na men go ke ne de kon espele mai go ke ne Dr. Ring Machar as well my work and kirmi yadi de kan nyanya but ne de kon ndak mal ka jam ka dinka government selbe kirmi yadi so na men tama ba wakat ko ken mishol kan ma judak e chanak ka chang ka baro ka pai diok maju dakte ni ngwalan ti kan gan ka fain kan jang te kan chol no ya ngaje no re wiki juba jes fel mai wo cha ka yen ore ri ngai yana tel mu dien mo ngon niam me de lar no i chene me che dot ai be mala be pen no teleja baje ko ni gwata me ka le dan chalat ke je ka kwi buko danen cha Naser cha buko je lamman lat ke long Uganda ne kan boko Bombing reported in Naser, escalating tension. An air strike struck the town of Naser in South Sudan, Upper Nile State, late on Sunday, causing civilian casualties and fire. Local official and witness said amid escalating tension between forces loyal to President Salva Kiir and rival group aligned with first by President Weckä. These are the White Army. They are saying that they align with the first by President Weckä. The war was already declared by the Kiir Mayardit. His chief of defense force already been saying that they are going to revenge General Major that was killed in Naser by the White Army, and that they will target the Nuer people, especially those who are in IO. And this mission was carried out in Naser last night. Naser County Commissioner Galwalo Utief said that military aircraft dropped multiple bombs on town airstrip and surrounding area at around 11:40 p.m., which is midnight. The helicopter or Antonov, Ugandan helicopter, carried out the bombing during the night in Naser. He said the attack triggered significant fire, civilian casualties, and property damage, though the exact toll remain unverified. There are people who have died and been injured, but we are yet to confirm the numbers. Galwak said, adding that victims were taken to hospital. He accused the South Sudan People Defense Forces, the National Army, of carrying out the strike in retaliation for recent clash in Naser, which is not retaliation, but a massacre carried out by the Kiir government to kill innocent Nuer people in Naser. Galwak and Halio Machar also claimed Longuchu County in Upper Nile State was also bombed on Sunday, though details were not immediately available. This is also another massacre. Longuchu County was not part of what happened in Naser. Why Army clash with SSPDF in Naser? It got nothing to do with the Longuchu County, but the indication show that Kiir already declared war against the Nuer people. A video shared on social media show flame engulfing houses and trees in Naser. Witnesses report fire while local army use command Tate Chol Galwa confirmed the bombing but say damage assessment were pending. I can confirm that the SSPDF has just bombed our area in Naser, but we have yet to assess the damage caused by the airstrike. SSPDF spokesperson Major General could not immediately be reached for comment because they were the ones sending these helicopters, Ugandan helicopters, to bomb Nuer community in Naser and Wula. Another massacre carried out by the young in JUBA. The airstrike followed days of heightening hostilities. On Friday, Defense Minister General Cholton Balok vowed to retake Naser during a funeral for SSPDF commander killed in a failed UN evacuation attempt in the town on March 7. Here is the thing. The Defense Minister General Cholton Balok vowed to kill Nuer. He indicated on his message during the funeral of General Major. He said that Nuer are here with us in JUBA. We cannot look any further. If we fail to kill people in Naser, we will kill them here in JUBA. The Defense Minister General Cholton Balok vowed to do that. He vowed. This shows that this fake Kiir regime government does not want Nuer in his government. These Nuer who are aligned with Kiir Mayardit are simply being paid to kill the people. They don't do it for the love of the South Sudan. They do it just for the money that they are being paid for. Naser's strategic border hub with Ethiopia was seized on March 4 by the White Army. a militia key faction. It was not seized, but the Nuer inhabited the area. That area belonged to them. How could it be seized? They did not seize any. It belonged to them. This is where they live. Naser is their area. Though they link it up with the Machar, this is just a way of connecting doubt, to carry out the dirty plan to kill Nuer people. Well, this attack has heightened fear of renewed conflict between Kir and Machar, plus the White Army, whose forces fought a civil war from 2013 to 2018 that killed hundreds of thousands of Nuer. A fragile unified government formed under 2018 peace deal has been strained by recent violence. Kir administration has also arrested several of Machar associations in the capital Juba, further destabilizing the power-sharing agreement. Naser has been a flashpoint since the White Army capture an SSPD based there on March 4. So here is the reason why Kir is killing the Nuer. Like they say here, they say it's a retaliation, but it is not. This is a violence carried out by a tribal leader. This tribal leader called Kir Mayadi did it in 2013, and it is doing it again. Kir doesn't fit to lead South Sudan. Kir should be killed or should be removed by force. Even the young themselves know that Kir doesn't fit anymore. Kir should be removed from his seat. Kir should either kill or go back home and sit with his family. Because this is the turning point for Kir Mayadit. Though he's doing this to make sure that he installed Bull Mill into the seat, because this is how a dictator works. When a dictator finds that it's not healthy enough, he will put another criminal in his position. But first what he do, he has to start violent so that people will no longer focus on the government. They will focus on the fight. And this is what Kir is doing. And also Kir does not even trust his own soldier, South Sudanese soldier. This so-called SSPDF is using to kill Nuer. He shown it already by deploying Ugandan soldiers into the land of South Sudan. Even as we are speaking, there are Uganda in Juba that are protecting Salva-Kiir Mayardit. I believe most of you have seen Mahozi post on Twitter, and also this was also discussed in Uganda court or parliament. The Mahozi deployed force without the knowledge of the court or the parliament. He did it to protect the Kir Mayardit government. So Kir Mayardit has the nerve to start a war, knowing fully that he's going to deploy Ugandan force because he cannot handle what is happening here. He did it simply because he has a backup force, which is Ugandan force. Kir Mayardit charongo banaba karwacha. Kir Mayardit should go. Kir Mayardit bawa. This should be the end of Kir Mayardit regime. Ko de Kir Mayardit kanti kati jack. So ban yoko ben ka gwatan be anu be atagamal.